Tēnā koe, ko Kirialana Wilson tōku ingoa, and this is Tonui Collab. We are a kaupapa that is based in Tūranganui, Ākiwa, but we travel the whole of the Tairāwhiti from Te Whānau Apanui down to Here Taunga Kahungunu, and we go around and support kura and community through a wide range of ages, delivering STEM workshops, and STEM being science, technology, engineering, maths and mātauranga Māori. This kaupapa, Kohine Robotics, this is its third year, but we've changed it up for this year, and we've got 10 teams here at Uepohatu. We're in our day 3 of wānanga. The girls have been engineering clawbots with Vex Robotics. They are going to learn the competition today, but they are also learning about wahine leadership in digital tech, pathways, and where they could possibly go with these skills and tools that they've been learning.
Ko Aitahi tōku ingoa, kei Kohine Robotics mātou, e whakatekai o mātou mahi traiwa. E tino rawe, enei rā e toru, ko tēnei tā mātou rā whakamitunga o tēnei kaupapa.
Don't be shy to tutu, I guess is one of the things that we want to encourage our tamariki to tutu, encourage our tamariki to be explorers and never stop exploring different pathways that could lead them up to a beautiful job that they don't have to leave their haukainga.